that this matter is being given priority over other petitions which have been filed, an insinuation that the bench is part of a conspiracy to infringe the petitioner's Article 50 right to fair hearing, and what I have again alluded to, that the transmission of the files from the Kirugoya High Court took place with what has been referred to as a supersonic speed. One of the counsels went further by intimating that an exercise akin to the radical surgery may well be forthcoming, a statement which the bench, with tremendous respect, perceives as a veiled attempt at intimidation. The bench feels that such remarks are regrettable and wholly inappropriate. This bench remains firm in its duty and will not be swayed or influenced by any form of intimidation, regardless of its source. The bench takes the view that the applicants appear to selectively focus on aspects that favor their position while conveniently disregarding that the clients that the applicants are presently benefiting from final conservatory orders, which this bench did not deem it fit to lift. Despite having obtained final conservatory orders, as the court has already observed, it is now apparent that the applicants no longer perceive the urgency in this matter. Instead, they seek to cast aspersions on this court for addressing the matter with the necessary expedition. Such conduct is contradictory and undermines the very urgency that the applicants had initially invoked. The bench notes that the issues raised in this petitions have on various occasions and before different judges consistently been certified as urgent and as involving substantive constitutional questions. This underscores the gravity and significance of the matters at hand. One of the counsels again insinuated that this bench is part of a conspiracy to violate the petitioner's right to a fair hearing under Article 50 of the Constitution. The bench finds that these submissions are without any foundation and wholly without merit. This court has not issued any rulings or directions that would suggest such an intention. It is apparent that this argument was made for the sake of the gallery, and we find it unnecessary to therefore address it further, safe to reaffirm that this court remains fully committed to upholding the Constitution and the rule of law. In conclusion, we do find and hold that the accusations made by the applicants against this bench are entirely without merit.